In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Edge as your default browser. First, let's get started by installing the browser you prefer to use, like Chrome or Firefox, if you haven't done so already. You can easily do this by visiting the official website of the browser you want. For example, if you choose Chrome, go to google.com/Chrome. Once the page loads, look for the download button. This will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the prompts until the installation is complete. It's important to have your preferred browser installed first because you cannot set it as your default until it is available on your computer. Once that is done, press the Windows key and the I key together on your keyboard. This action will open the Settings menu on your Windows computer. The Settings menu is your central hub for configuring various system preferences. You will see a range of options listed here. It's organized and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. This step is crucial as it allows you access to the default app settings where you can make the changes you need. From there, navigate to the Apps option within the Settings menu. Click on it to expand the available choices. You will see a list of app-related settings. Look for the default apps section and click on it. This section is where you can customize which applications your computer uses for different tasks. It's essential to know how to access this because changing your default browser is an important part of optimizing your browsing experience. Next, you will see a list of different default applications for various tasks. Scroll down until you find your preferred browser in the list. It may show options like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox depending on what you installed. Click on your chosen browser to select it. This step is necessary because it specifically tells your computer which browser you now want to use as your default. A clear selection here will ensure that links and web pages open in the browser of your choice. After selecting your preferred browser, look for the option that says Set Default if you are on Windows 11. Click this button to finalize your choice. This action confirms that you want to make this browser your default for all web-related activities. It is a straightforward but vital step ensuring that all your browsing will now occur through the selected application. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your default browser has now been successfully changed. With all these changes in place, you are all set to enjoy a more personalized browsing experience. Remember, switching your default browser can improve your efficiency and comfort while using the internet. You have taken an important step in customizing your system to better suit your needs. Now that you have disabled Microsoft Edge as your default browser, feel free to explore all the features and benefits of your new browser. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Enjoy your browsing experience.